Hi there, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Curt T connector vehicle wiring harness. This is going to provide a four-way flat trailer connector at the back of your 2021 and newer Nissan Rogue. This will allow you to hook up your Nissan to your trailer so that your trailer's lights will show the same running lights, brake signals, and turn signals as your Rogue as you're going down the road. Now this can be adapted to fit trailers with 5-pole, 6-pole, or 7-pole connectors. There are adapters that we sell here at eTrailer.com that will convert that for you so that it will work with all those different kinds of trailer connectors. And this does have a little dust cap here, so if you are going to be leaving this outside when you're not using it, will help to prevent against dust and moisture from getting on those connections, so those connections will be nice and protected there. This is going to be a very simple system to get installed. Rather than having to cut into your vehicle's wiring, they do have this kind of plug and play option here. So if you're not familiar with working on vehicles, if you have an interest but not a lot of experience, this is definitely a great way to go. Basically, you just have to get back to your taillight housing. You'll unplug the wiring from the taillight itself and then plug this in place, so that will reconnect that circuit so your taillights will function like normal even when you're not towing. But then when you do hook up your trailer, it's going to receive that same signal and send that out. So a very simple process. You're not going to have to worry about damaging your vehicle's wiring. Just plug it right in and you're ready to go. You are going to ground it to a metal surface, probably back in that same area. They do include a self-tapping screw to get it grounded in place. And then this side is going to go over to your passenger side. Very similar process. Just unplug, plug it in with this in mind, so that that's going to send your passenger side turn signal back as well. You are going to have to run your hot lead all the way up to your vehicle's battery. They do include some extra wire to make that connection so that you can run that up to your battery. When you run this, it's probably the most difficult part of the whole installation, running it under your vehicle up to the battery. They do include zip ties to help you get it mounted in place, but you do want to make sure that wherever you mount this in place, get it run up, that you're staying away from anything that's going to be hot or moving that could potentially damage the wire. Once you get up to your battery compartment, you'll hook up the fuse holder in line with this. They also include the ring terminal to then get attached to your battery, and then the fuse will be put into the fuse holder there, so that's going to provide power back to your unit, so that you're not going to be straining your vehicle's light systems, electrical system going back to your lights. It's going to be getting its own power to send on to the trailer. Now this is a really nice unit that is constructed using a surface mount technology, so it's going to be very reliable. It's got this potting material in here. You can see that. So all those connections are mounted to the surface rather than going through the circuit board. And then that potting material is going to hold it in place, so you're not going to have to worry about it jiggling loose, coming undone, even if you're going over very bumpy roads. And that surface mount technology is also going to help dissipate heat, so it's going to be a lot more reliable, long-lasting for you. This also has a built-in trailer light converter, so it's going to combine your Rogue's brake and turn signal functions into one wire that your trailer can then recognize. So it's going to convert your vehicle's wiring into your trailer wiring so that everything works properly. This does provide a maximum amperage of 3 amps per circuit for your stop and turn lights and 6 amps per circuit for your tail lights. Like I said, it's a very simple process. They do include very detailed instructions with pictures to help you along the way, make sure that everything's getting hooked up properly, but definitely something that you can do on your own over the weekend. I installed a very similar system to this on my wife's vehicle just a couple months ago, and it's definitely something that I think anybody can do with that simple plug and play option. Definitely very simple to do. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Thanks for watching.